Solar tile roof mounting system. Solar tile roof mounting system is mostly used for residential roofs. It has great flexibility. It is suitable for various types of tile roofs, such as Roman tiles and Spanish clay tile roofs. This video mainly shows the installation method of the rail with different accessories. 1-4 tile roof hooks. There are 3 different materials: aluminum 6005T5, stainless steel 304, and ZM275 material. The cost of stainless steel hook is advantageous. In addition to the hook shown in the video, there are zinc aluminum magnesium hook and hot dip galvanized steel hook, which are more cost effective. The tile hook solar system is simple and quick to install, and most accessories are adjustable to avoid repeated installation caused by installation errors. 2 mid-clamp and end clamp, ordinary mid-clamp and adjustable mid-clamp or end clamp are shown respectively. Ordinary mid-clamp needs to be matched with different bolts according to the thickness of the solar panel. Adjustable mid-clamp or end clamp does not need to replace the bolts and can meet the use of 30 to 40 mm thickness solar panel. If there is a cement concrete layer under the tile, the hook is fixed with expansion bolts. If the purlin is a wooden beam, the hook is fixed with wood screws. All solar mounting accessories are highly pre-assembled before shipment, making installation simple and fast, saving labor costs and installation time to a great extent. The support angle is designed and processed according to the customer's requirements to meet the installation requirements of solar panels at different longitudes and latitudes in different countries or regions, thereby ensuring the best lighting angle. For tile roof solar mounting, we also carry many different styles of hooks, and we can also make custom molds. And rails can also be made of other materials, such as zinc aluminum magnesium or hot dip galvanized steel. Our own factory can also produce the commonly used zinc aluminum magnesium 4-1U steel, 5-2U steel, and 6-2U steel on the market, and we can supply them in stock for a long time to ensure the quality of the source. Welcome to contact us for more details.